2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right, today we'll be taking a little bit of a break from the Supra, just because we have some things we have to do with it, but not super pressing. Should be able to be done with it tomorrow on a couple of things, but today we're going to be focusing on the truck. So what we're doing is installing the Predator rails that you can get from Toyota. Pick these up at the AutoNation Toyota, and I'm going to just install them myself rather than having them install it, because I mean it's fairly easy. It looks like it's just 2, 4, 6, 8 bolts on each side. They're all 12mm head bolts, so fairly easy. And yeah, there's 8 for each side, so it's pretty standard. And then I'll just take a couple of clips of me like bolting it up or something, maybe show like fitment and things like that.
Okay. How these things cost so much? They don't weigh nothing.
Yeah, they're super lightweight.
Well, how much weight they can hold?
That's a good question. I can check. I would assume a decent amount, but so it looks like there's already pre-existing bolts in the spots where this goes. So we're gonna pull those out and put the new bolts in. I'm assuming they're probably shorter too, like the originals. Okay, so yeah, the originals are about like a 1/4 inch like shorter, so those aren't really gonna work. So you don't want to use the stock ones that it comes with, and you want to put the new ones in for sure. Yeah, and then this side where it's flat, and then this one has like an angle to it, definitely goes on this side because it'll mount up flush, and then the rest is the same all the way down. The trusty old trifold doing what it does. I gotta get something out of this. If it's in there, it is. Make this a little easier. Forward a lot. Yeah, block tight.
Yeah, and then as it spins, it melts and gets hot.
You want to just line it up right in the middle?
You want to do whatever you want to do. I mean, I don't think you line the other one up.
Nope. Well, because the front holes aren't slotted.
Okay, well then you're just...
They're slotted up and down, but not slotted left to right.
So that means you need to tighten the front bolts first, I guess. Not
Yeah.
all the way, but...
There we go. The rails are on. It was quick. It was probably like 20 minutes, if that. Gives us a little bit more of a step, which is nice. Everything's pretty well planted. It's got these like pushed up indentions so that there's like some nice grip to it. Just gives you that extra like room to step in instead of the full step, which is not much lowered, but I'll be putting a level kit on it, so this will definitely be a little bit more necessary, but way nicer, a lot easier to get in and out of the truck. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Those are the TRD like Predator step side leg rails. Pretty much can get them from any Toyota dealership, and fairly easy to install.
That doesn't make sense.